Hi guys, I'm Mark. This is Dante's World. I'm gonna do surgery on this guy today. This is my Christmas present, but he has a hole in him. So I'm going to do some surgery. I did a line to mark where I'm going to cut him. I got my surgery scissors. Time to start. This squishy's hard. He's actually hard. I might need bigger scissors. Guys, my mom just made a hole. It's right here. Oh my God. This is crazy. Look at that hole. I'm cutting him more open. This is messy. Never tried this. Ever. Oh, we got our first one. You know what? You might be thinking I'm like Dr. Squish. Today's the only video I'm like Dr. Squish. I'm just literally just cutting my favorite squishy off. It just has a hole, and that's what's in them. Some gel. I have to squish this. Oh, I have to do it. I have to cut him open. It's cold as ice. There's ice everywhere. Yes, one day I got a lot of come out, wherever you are. This bones. Nice, relaxing, sir. This is not pretty relaxing. Hey guys, we just had to do a stop motion. My mom cut it even more open. My first fist bone. Put it right there. My second fist bone. That's a lot of insides. Ooh. So now to make all of this fist. That's why he needed surgery. He also has a hole in him because a fist bone stabbed him. Fist bone. Is there any more fist bones? No. Time to. Now I have to just take all the insides out of him. What's all this inside gut? This is so cool. Liquid. This is liquid water. This is water, man. This is gel. Little gel. That's so cool, man. There's this. This is my first gel-filled squishy. Now, this is a lot of surgery. Now we just have to. Guys, the video's done. It was a fast one because that was all those in them, and I got some dissect. Hey, the tails are squishy. The tails are squishy. Holy, squishy tails on a hard fish. That's so cool, man. Alright. Now, guys, hi, this guy ate all these fish. And one bone came off of one of these fish and popped them. Cool. it made a hole, so we had to dissect them and get all these fish bones out. Now, I just have to make him robotic in the inside of his body. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.